Hi there, it's the review fella here. Now, one thing I wished for when I bought my PS5 is that they did a black version. I think black would just look better in my room. I know you could achieve this with third-party add-ons, but if you're anything like me, then you prefer the originals where possible. With the official launch of the different coloured console covers to complement the range of official controllers out there, I can now achieve this. I'll fit the Midnight Black cover in another video, but for now I just wanted a quick unboxing and look at the Midnight Black controller. The packaging is standard retail for PS5 controllers, and this is the same packaging you'd get if you bought the white version. Obviously the picture would be different on the front. Inside it looks like we have a box within a box, so this is very well packaged. Anything I have from Sony is always well packed. The only other thing included apart from the controller is this fairly simple instruction manual. And the controller is further protected in this bag. So here it is. I think it looks really nice. This is the obvious choice if you have the black console cover. I'm liking this matte black finish. It looks really smart and feels really smooth, although I imagine it will attract greasy fingerprints much more than the white one. The black won't show up the dirt so much though. On the bottom is the official Sony logo and information, the kind of detail you may not get on any modified controllers. It feels really good in the hand, but no different to the white one. I like how it absorbs the light, and I'd say it was more of a charcoal black than a midnight black though. What do you think? I guess it depends on the available light. Yep, I'm very happy with that. I'm very much looking forward to using it. If you look closely, you can see the tiny PlayStation icons that cover the underside. They also help give the controller a nice grip, meaning it's less likely to go flying across the room during those heated and sweaty gaming sessions. If we compare it to the white one, there really isn't much to choose from, so it's just a colour choice really. As I say, I bought this as I now have the official black cover. Side by side though, I think I prefer the black one. It just looks a bit cooler and reminds me of the old controller perhaps. But that is the only difference I can see. So what do you think of the Midnight Black? Do you have this controller, or do you have any other colour? Please let me know in the comments the colour you have or prefer, and I'll thank you and give you a thumbs up. That way I know you made it to the end of the video. Also, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more gaming and tech reviews. Please stay safe and well, and I hope to see you soon.